Hello, this is Eli Resendez, and this presentation is on the dashboard that I created for the accounts receivable audit for Roger Company, and the course number is 96567, and this is, of course, for ACG 4632, auditing 1. And so the information I have here is a dashboard for customer size. It basically shows us the amount that was invoiced per customer for the year of 2018. 100 is one of our smaller customers who were only billed $1 for 2018. As we scroll down, we can find who our largest customer is, and it appears that 100140 is actually our largest customer. They were billed total of 74,177 for the year of 2018. That does appear to be correct, as there's no other customers that have such large amount that was invoiced for that year. Down here we have a segregation of duties for segregation of duties that were violated for the year of 2018, and the amount of invoices we have. Each of these for November 19th, there was actually 2 invoices that were segregation duties was violated. Down here we have a timeline as well that basically shows us the amount that was invoiced, or actually the amount of due that was for invoices for each month. For March, it was $244. That's actually the lowest. Actually, not the lowest. I'm sorry. The lowest is actually August for $12. The highest was for December, 285,885. But as you see, as we enter the fourth quarter, the amount of invoice due is actually progressing. So this is where we're going to expect the majority of the a spike in invoices that are due. But again, the information, the dashboard is actually pretty interactive. So if we go back to our largest customer, we can click on that customer and it'll tell us if there was any invoices for this customer that were where a segregation of duties was violated, and it'll also reflect on the timeline as to how that total amount came to be and how much each month was invoice, or how much amount, what the amount was that was due for this customer in the year of 2018. So for this customer, there was actually a total of 5 invoices where our client violated segregation of duties. And for this customer, again, for August, there was $12 that was due of invoice. For September, it shows for October, November, and December. So that right there, if you click on each customer, it'll basically so there's actually no segregation of duties that was violated for this customer, but you can see how much each month was invoiced. Well, for the month of October, there was an invoice of 622, November 64, and December 2,457. So if we click out of that, we can use segregation of duties dashboard is also pretty interactive. If we click on that invoice for 566,309, that invoice actually belongs to customer 100140, and that invoice was due October of 2018 for $4,816. If we click out of that, we can go to the timeline and we can see which customers were that we billed for the month, September of 2018. So this was the amount of customers, actually only 4 customers that were invoiced. And there was actually no segregation duties for the month of September. I included another filter up here where you can actually, if we want to look up each invoice, we can see who it belongs to and when the invoice is due. So if we try selecting customer or entering 566,309, the invoice 566,309, we can see who that belongs to and when that invoice was due. So it belongs to customer 100140, September 2nd, 2018, and due on October. This is my presentation on the Roger Company AR audit.